Aww, they love each other.
Aww.
Aww.
Oh,
We're getting
Dragonia.
the moment. We're getting the moment of love.
You see, Dragonia, you're not evil. You have a heart.
Yeah, she's sweet most of the time. Now.
Oh, yeah. Give her a little nuzzle. Yeah. Yeah.
That's so funny. Aww.
Dragonia's like, she's too much of everything. Like, when she's mean, she's mean. And when she's smothering you, she's smothering you.
Yeah. Aww. He's taking care of Dragonia. What a good friend. What a good friend.
And then there's Kip over there. Kip, you gotta join in.
Sometimes Kip and Dragonia.
Kip's like their henchman or something. Like, you know, like.
And sometimes it's them, you know, Kip and Dragonia. But right now, it's the new Nuzzlers.
Yay!
Yay!
So pretty.
And then look at the dogs over there. They're so cute. They're so pretty too.
Oh, Lily, my baby. Oh, hello. Oh, hi, Magic. What are you doing? Okay, bye, everyone.